Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do reading for Aries fire sign for the month of November. This is monthly reading. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your messages. Aries, the first card, the Sun. Wow. Seven of Pentacles. And the last card for the first, Two of Wands. Yeah, for some it could be third party, long distance relationship. Two of Wands. Yeah, one person is thinking about the other person a lot. I think one person invests in this connection more the other person, because Seven of Pentacles is here and the Sun. For some, one person concentrating on their career, investing their time and energy in their career. Definitely they are seeing the positive result. They're waiting for the result and they're thinking about the result. For some, those who are in invest their relationship, definitely they are waiting for the result, and they are also and that is also a positive result. So let's see some more. Ten of Wands, Ace of Swords, Five of Cups. Yeah, for some there is separation between both of you, that's why waiting. Seven of Pentacles, definitely one person is waiting for the other person. This could be long distance relationship wise. Definitely Ace of Swords, some communication, truth coming out. Five of Cups, separation. Ten of Wands, yeah, one person is very overburdened like this, they're fed up. Yeah, Ace of Swords, some communication, truth coming out. And Five of Cups, for some there is separation. So let's see some more. Six of Pentacles, energy could be vice versa. Eight of Wands, Queen of Cups. I think there is no equal give and take in this connection, that's why for some there is separation happened, because Six of Pentacles is here. Definitely there is no equal give and take. Eight of Wands, yeah, some communication, you both will communicate in near future, or it is already happened between both of you happening. And the Sun, the Queen of Cups. Yeah, one person has strong emotions for the other person, and this person is very caring and very loving. I think it could be you always try to balance the things between both of you. See here in this deck, Six of Pentacles, you try to balance the things when they go wrong. Yeah, some communication, I think communication. Ten of Cups. Wow. Wheel of Fortune and Seven of Cups. I think things are turning in your favor, Aries. Ten of Cups with Wheel of Fortune, definitely. And Seven of Cups. Yeah, your options also opening in every area of your life. It could be career, whatever. Definitely there you have some options. Yeah, definitely wheel turning in your favor. Ten of Cups with Wheel of Fortune. For some there is separation. Why? Because there is no balance between both of you. So let's see your person, age, future actions and their current feelings. Then we will get clarity. We will get more clarity. I think definitely situations are turning in your favor. One thing is clear, Aries. So let's see your person, current feelings. Seven of Swords, Knight of Cups, the Emperor. Wow. I think in past your person could be manipulative, lied to you, cheated on you. That's why the separation is happened, because they have options also for some. Definitely there is some sneaky energy. But your person have strong emotions for you, even though they are seeing other options. Always they are pulling back to you, because Knight of Cups with Emperor. So let's say they need future actions. Then we will get more clarity. The Lovers, Six of Wands, Justice. Yeah, they want second chance. Libra, you or your person could be definitely I think the Lovers card, it could be intimacy also, but no emotional balance, only physical intimacy, but it is not good for you. Aries. Yeah, they want success with you, they want second chance because they have strong emotions for you. If really it could be third party, your person is sneaky, your person is liar, definitely don't give another chance. Yeah, but for some your person, if it is not third party, definitely your person undergoing some transformation. Yeah, Knight of Cups to Emperor, definitely they are changing. For some your person will change definitely, and they want second chance with you. If it is not third party, definitely you will see some change in your person behavior, then you will give some other second chance. But if your person is very sneaky, you already know that, but it's up to you to give second chance to your person or not, because depending upon your situation, this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone, but your person wants second chance. So your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Aries, Leo, Sag, and air energy Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. All energies are here, but lot of fire energy and water energy is here. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. But things are turning in your favor. I'm getting the same message again and again. Why, I don't know. But things are turning in your favor because 9 of Cups with 10 of Cups with Wheel of Fortune. Ultimate cards. Ultimate combination also. Ace of Pentacles. 4 of Cups. The Star. 4 of Cups. 2 times in 2 decks. Yeah, I think it's you are not going to accept the cup of love which is offered by your person, because you know your person is sneaky. For one group, for another group, you both feeling sad for the missed opportunity with each other. You both still hoping for this connection with the Star card here and Ace of Pentacles. Definitely long-term commitment is coming. For those who are not in third party, definitely you both are feeling sad for the missed opportunity with each other. But if you are in sneaky energy, you know about your person, definitely you are not going to accept your person offer at all. Definitely you are going to concentrate on your career. You are seeing something new in your life, something new start in your life. It is very good. So don't take decision depending upon emotions. See what is true, what is not. For some, those who are not third party, definitely you are still hoping for this connection, definitely some commitment. This connection goes to next level. But those who are in third party, definitely I am not seeing anywhere going anywhere, because you know the truth. So let's see your overall energy, Aries, for the month of November. Yeah, 4 of Pentacles. Already told you, Princess of Swords, 6 of Wands. Yeah, you want success in every area of your life. I think you are concentrating on your career. And Princess of Swords, definitely you cut your person off. You are very clear in your mind. Yeah, your thoughts are very clear, your intentions are very clear about everything. And 4 of Pentacles, you are holding back your feelings. Yeah, I already told you, 4 of Cups, you are not going to accept your offer. If it is third party, definitely 4 of Pentacles is here. You are not going to accept, you are holding back. If it is really third party, definitely you are holding back your feelings. Yeah, you stand by your power, definitely. So let's see your person overall energy for the month November. Yeah, 8 of Pentacles, the Strength, the Lovers. Yeah, sorry, 2 of Cups. Yeah, you both love each other. You have also strong emotions for your person. But if it is third party, there is no need to continue. There is no reason to continue. And the Strength card, definitely they are gaining their strength back to come towards you and to work on this relationship. 8 of Pentacles. It's up to you, but definitely they are still hoping for this connection. They are coming back for second chance, but things are turning in your favor, Aries, because 10 of Cups with Wheel of Fortune. Definitely things are turning in your favor, and you are holding back your feelings. You are concentrating on your career, definitely, and you will get success. 6 of Wands there. Yeah, you will get success in every area of your life, Aries. Please concentrate on your career. Definitely you will get success there. But your person coming back with long-term commitment offer with this 8 of Pentacles. It is also slow-moving energy, but they want to work on this relationship. So there is a lot of water energy. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Especially water energy is more, because 4 of Cups is 2 times, and 10 of Cups, 7 of Cups, lot of water energy. And Knight of Cups is is also there. Yeah, definitely your person have strong emotions and they are coming back with solid offer. It's up to you. If it is not third party, it is okay. If it is, it's up to you. It's totally up to you. At the end of the day, it's your life. So this is the reading for you, Aries. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notifications. And thank you so much for the support. Bye.